What's going on, guys? It's your artist, your favorite artist, Andaluz the artist. In today's segment, what we're gonna do is what you see behind me. We're gonna paint a truck. I know this is the first of many of my videos where I paint a whole truck. We're here at Hill Street Auto Collision, and that's in Deer Park, New York. My good friends over here are gonna help me. As you see, they already started taking off the grill and taking off all the stuff that I don't need to paint, and they're just getting it ready. They're sanding it down. As far as the process is concerned, there's plenty of videos on how to strip a car and buff it and get it ready for painting. What I'm gonna show you is how to paint this truck, how I layer it with the spray, and how I go over it with the highlights and make it look like electricity. What we're doing this is for my good friends at Weather Going Wild. My good friend Mike, who approached me to get this done. Now he's a storm chaser, which is, there's not many in New York, but he's one of them, and he's the best at what he does. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it.